Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to create logo without designing it. But before that, make sure you subscribe my channel for awesome content. Let's get into video. First open your browser and search looka. Click on first link. After that, you have to write your brand name here. I'm writing my channel's name. Click on Get Started. Now, pick your industry. I will choose tech. Next. Now, pick some of logos, according to your choices. Let me choose some. Next. Choose your favorite color. I will choose red and blue. You can add some slogan if you want. Now, pick symbols according to your theme. I will choose technology. Now, pick few symbols that you like. Next. As you can see, we got multiple logos. Now you can choose the logo you like. Let's choose this. Now, you can do some changes you want, or you can directly download it. But before that, I need to tell you that this website will cost some money before downloading logo, but you can actually buy it for very cheap price, or you can take screenshot of image and crop it. If you watch the video till end, thanks. Make sure you like. Bye bye.